Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, dear students. This is me, Umar Farooq Sumro, subject teacher of English grammar. Dear students, I hope all of you are fine by the blessings of Almighty Allah and by the prayers of your parents and your elders. Dear students, for you today, I have an interesting and very important quote of the day. Kindly memorize it and act on it properly. It is that respect everyone and you will be respected. Okay? Respect everyone and you will be respected in the world by the people. Dear students, as you are watching on your screen, this is our lecture number 6 of English grammar, in which we are learning about the improvement of English speaking skills. Today's topic is all about the improvement of English language skills, or in English grammar. So dear students, it is all about your homework. Today's topic consists on 3 portions which I have divided, and I will tell you respectively one by one. So first of all, as you are watching on the screen, this is question: put suitable helping verb to complete the sentences of present indefinite tense. As we have read that helping verbs of present simple or present indefinite tense are do and does. You have to put suitable helping verb in each sentence to complete it. Okay, I am reading the first sentence for you. Number 1, Shafi and Jabbar dash not play cricket. Now you have to focus on the structure or formation of the sentence. Then you have to complete the sentence by filling or putting correct or suitable helping verb. If you find it suitable do, then put do. If you find suitable word does, then put does. Number 2, Shifa dash not fly an airplane. If you use do in the sentence or does, it will depend upon you. So dear students, the first homework for you is put suitable helping verb to complete the sentences of present indefinite tense. You have to read each sentence from this page and then write your answers on your notebook and share them on your WhatsApp group. Dear students, for second activity is translate into English. As you are watching on your screen, I have written 10 words in Urdu. You have to read each sentence and try to understand the meaning of it. First of all, I have told you the signs and symbols of recognizing the sentence in present indefinite tense. First of all, recognize signs and symbols of the sentence. Then make it understood that whether the sentence is in simple or positive, or in negative, or in interrogative, or in interrogative negative. You have to focus on your sentences, read them first carefully, and then write the answers on your notebook. The first one I am reading the sentence for you is in Urdu: हम मेहनत करते हैं. नंबर 2, उस्ताद हमें अदब सिखाता है. उस्ताद यानी टीचर. नंबर 3, अलीना बाज़ार से किताबें ख़रीदती है. नंबर 4, क्या आप अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान नहीं देते. नंबर 5, लड़के क्लास में शोर करते हैं. नंबर 6, मछली पानी में तैरती है. नंबर 7, शाहिद मछली फ्राई करता है. नंबर 8, क्या हम अपने वालिदैन का अदब नहीं करते. नंबर 9, क्या ये मसला आपको दिखाई नहीं देता. एंड नंबर 10, शेर शिकार के पीछे दौड़ता है. Dear students, I read all 10 sentences for you. Now you have to understood each sentence. Okay, dear students, this is also your homework number 2. The first one was put suitable helping verb to complete the sentences of present indefinite tense. The second homework for you is translate the sentences into English. As I told you earlier, you have to read the sentences carefully. Then you have to recognize the signs and symbols of the sentence, whether the sentence are in positive or in negative or interrogative negative, then you have to write the answer in your notebook. Dear students, last but not least, homework number 3 for you is the formation of the sentences, which is called do as directed. As you are watching on your screen, the heading that I am pointing out here, do as directed. Homework number 3, do as directed. Okay, so what you have to do in this activity, you are given a sentence and also the order to change or correct it. For example, first one, Amna read a novel book. First of all, you have to understand whether the sentence is in present simple and in positive or in negative or in interrogative negative. You have to read the sentence first and then answer the question. Change it into interrogative sentence. Okay. Number 2, dogs run. It is mistakenly written is, but it is in. Dogs run in the street. Now change the sentence into negative. Number 3, girls often take interest in studies. Now change the sentence into interrogative plus negative. Number 4, Sir Mushtaq teaches computer. Change into interrogative. Number 5, don't you play with your brother? Change it into positive sentence. Number 6, he calls me fatty. Fatty means a person who is fat. Okay, a person who is fat is called fatty. So he calls me fatty. Change into negative. And number 7, in the last, Mr. Azim knows you. Change into interrogative plus negative. Dear students, I will suggest you for the second time, kindly read the sentences carefully without making any haste. Don't read it in full speed. Don't make haste. Stay calm, stay relaxed, then read the sentences with full concentration. Then try to understand the meaning of the sentence and also try that what does it order to us. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आपका जुमला जो आपको कोई भी सेंटेंस दिया गया है उसमें आपको कौन सा ऑर्डर दिया गया है, क्या डायरेक्ट किया गया है. जैसे पहले जुमले में है आमना रीड्स अ नॉवेल बुक, अब आपको ऑर्डर किया गया है चेंज इनटू interrogative. Now you have to change the sentence into interrogative. But first of all, you have to concentrate that whether this sentence is in positive sense or in negative sense. Then write the answers in your notebook. Dear students, as I told you, our today's lecture is all about the improvement of English speaking. So for this was your homework that I told you in number 3. Number first homework, I am showing you the pictures respectively one by one again. For you, number 1 homework is put suitable helping verb to complete the sentences of present indefinite tense. As I told you, there are just only 2 helping verbs of present simple or present indefinite, do and does. If you find do suitable in first sentence, put do. If you find suitable does in first sentence, put does. Okay, dear students, this is your homework number 1, in which you have to put suitable helping verb to complete or to fill the sentences. Number 2, I am showing you the picture. This is about translation into English. Now read out the sentence, 10 sentences almost carefully, then try to understand the meaning and then write your answers in your notebook. And on final, your homework number 3 is do as directed. It is about the structure of your English language. Kindly read the sentences carefully and then watch that what does this sentence show us. Don't make any haste. Okay, stay calm, stay relaxed, then read each sentence and write your answers in your notebook. So this was our 6th lecture of English language. Now it is time for us to wind up today's lecture. We will meet inshallah if God wills in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.